Good afternoon, students. I'm Renan Khalil from Al-Bashair Civical Academy. Today we will have a new lesson. Our lesson is on page number 12. So please open your students' box, page number 12. Okay? Open your students' box, page number 12, and write the date and the day. Write the date and the day. Open your students' box, page number 12. Write the date and the day. First thing, we will see, or you will see, this picture. Look at this picture. Rain forests. Rain forests. Again, rain forests. Again, rain forests. Rain forests means الغابات الاستوائية. Okay, look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture? Can see birds, very good, frogs, animals, trees. So these creatures, مخلوقات, can be found inside forests or rainforests. Now, these creatures can be found inside forests or rainforests. Now, before we begin, we have to listen to the sound of rain forests. What can you hear? You will listen and tell me what can you hear? Where in the world can you find rainforests? Okay, so now I'll play the audio, and you will listen and tell me where can you hear these sounds and where in the world we can find a rainforest. Okay, where in the world we can find a rainforest.
Module 2, Unit 1, page 12, Exercise 1.
Now, we have listened to sounds. These sounds are inside the rainforests. Very good. These sounds are inside the rainforests. What sounds do you think you have heard too? What sounds? These are sounds of what? Tell me. These are sounds, very good. These are sounds of animals, birds, and rain. Very good. These sounds are of animals, birds, and rain. Very good. So we have listened to sounds, and these sounds are inside rainforests. These sounds are of what? I write the answer there. These sounds are for what? Very good. These are the sound. The sounds are of birds, rainforests. Inside the rainforests, the sounds of animals and birds. So I write the answer. The answer. These sounds are of birds, animals, and rain. Very good. These sounds that we have heard too. These or the sounds are of birds, animals, and rain. So inside the rainforest, we have these sounds. These are sounds of animals, birds, and rain. We can hear these sounds. Now, where in the world you can find a rainforest? Where in the world we can find a rainforest? Where? Question number 1, okay? Where in the world we can find a rainforest? In the world we can find a rainforest near the equator. Very good. Rainforests grow near the equator. الغابات الاستوائية بقرب من خط الاستواء. Equator means خط الاستواء. Very good. Rainforests grow near the equator. Very good. So, rainforest, the second part of the question, rainforests grow near the equator. Very good. Rainforests grow تنمو, okay, near the equator. Equator, we call it, the meaning of equator is خط الاستواء. Very good, okay, capital letter because it's a name. Very good. Rainforests grow near the equator. Very good. Now we will go back to the page. So we have answered the first part of the question. What can you hear? These are sounds of birds, animals, and rain inside the rainforest. Where can we find a rainforest around the world? We can find rainforests near the equator. So you have heard sounds, and these sounds are different to you. Now our lesson is about rainforest, غابات استوائية. Exercise number 2. Which words refer to creature? Creature means what? Creature means very good. What's the meaning of a creature? Creatures means مخلوقات. Okay? That can be found in rainforests. Which words are connected متصلة to rainforest? Connected يعني مرتبطة only in rainforest. Check the meanings of any words you don't know from your activity book glossary in your dictionary. Now you will listen to the words and we will write what are the words that are refer to creatures and what words refer to rainforests. Very good. Okay, now you will listen to a group of words, and now I will give you the meaning of these words so you can understand what does the exercise mean. The exercise wants you to decide if these words are related to creatures, مخلوقات, or related to rainforest, things that you found or have the same meaning of rainforests. Tropical استوائي, habitat مسكن, hidden مخفي, volcano بركان, bat خفاش, spider عنكبوت, kangaroo كنغر, rat جرذ, logging قطع الأخشاب. Again, tropical استوائي, habitat مسكن, hidden مخفي, volcano بركان, bat خفاش, spider عنكبوت, kangaroo كنغر, rat جرذ, logging قطع الأخشاب. Now you have to decide what are the words that related to creatures. We say the meaning of the word creatures. What does it mean, creatures? Creatures مخلوقات, okay? And the words that related to what? To, very good, to rain forest, very good. The words that are related to rain forests. rain غابات استوائية. Very good. Now we will find tropical. The word tropical, creature, مخلوق, or it means استوائي, so we will write it here, tropical. Habitat, مسكن. Does it مسكن? Okay, very good. Habitat, capital letter. Habitat. Hidden. Hidden. Very good. مخفي. Does it relate to rainforest or what? Very good. It relates to rainforest. Very good. Hidden. Okay. Volcano. Very good. Volcano relates to rainforests. Very good. Volcano. Bat. خفاش. Very good. Creature. Bat. Capital letter. Spider. Very good. Spider. Creature. Spider is a creature. Kangaroo. Very good. Kangaroo. Rat. Excellent boys. Very good. Rat. Logging. قطع الأخشاب. Very good. Now we have logging there. Capital letter. Very good. So rainforest. What does relate to rainforest? Tropical habitat, hidden, volcano, logging, and creatures, مخلوقات, bat, spider, kangaroo, and rat. Very good. Now we will go to exercise number 3, and you have to listen to the audio and listen carefully. Then I will explain the lesson again. So, what's the idea of the lesson? What do you think you are? Now, after looking at this picture and talking about the new vocabs and listening to some sounds inside rainforests, what are you going to read about? What do you think the text will be about? Excellent. It will be about rainforests, or it will be about natural worlds. Very good. It will be about natural world. We will read a text and listen to a text. This text is about natural world. So open your students' books and don't forget to write the date and the day. You have to listen carefully to this paragraph. I'll play the audio. You have to listen carefully and
Module 2, Unit 1, page 12, exercise 3.
A hidden world. The bright colours of birds, the call of monkeys, and the hum of insects are common sights and sounds in a tropical rainforest. Rainforests grow near the equator, where it is always warm and wet, the perfect habitat for plants and animals. In Papua New Guinea, scientists have just discovered a new rainforest. It has existed for many thousands of years at the top of a mountain. It has always been very difficult to reach. Even the people who live on the slopes of Mount Basavi have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. It is very high up, at over 2,500 meters above sea level, and it is hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. In 2009 CE, an international team of scientists visited Mount Basavi and discovered an amazing world of plants and animals there. They discovered many colorful tiny frogs, some unusual species of fish, rare bats and spiders, a kangaroo that looked like a small bear, and a giant rat that was as big as a cat. Altogether, the scientists found more than 40 new species of animals, as well as many rare or new plants. Today, though, this beautiful hidden world is in danger. Logging has already begun in the area. The loggers have already destroyed a lot of trees in the area, but they haven't reached the slopes of Mount Basavi yet. The scientists hope that their findings can help to protect the area.
Now, after we've listened to this paragraph, it's about a hidden world. Now we will discuss it and find out the unknown or unfamiliar vocabulary to you, okay? Then we will answer at the end, we will answer this question. The bright colors of birds, the call of the monkeys, and the hum of the insects. Hum, طنين, الحشرات. Insects, الحشرات. Are common sights and sounds in a tropical rainforest. Tropical rainforest, غابات استوائية. Very good. Rainforests grow تنمو near the equator. Equator, خط الاستواء. So, where can we find rainforests? Or where do rainforests grow? They grow near the equator. Very good. What are the sounds that we can hear inside the rainforests? The sounds of animals and plants, insects and monkeys, and the sounds of the water also. Why do rainforests grow only near the equator? ليش only near the equator؟ بقرب من خط الاستواء. Because it is always warm and wet. Very good. Because it is always warm and wet. The perfect place for plants and animals. In Papua New Guinea, غينيا الجديدة. Very good. What's the meaning of Papua? It's a place. Okay. Papua New Guinea. It's a place. The scientists have found something there, and now we will find out what have they found. Scientists have just discovered, اكتشفوا a new rainforest. New rainforest, غابة استوائية جديدة. It has existed many thousands of years at the top of the mountain. It refers to what? It refers to the rainforests. Very good. It refers to rainforest. For many thousands of years at the top of the mountain. It has always been very difficult. It has always been very difficult to reach there. There refers to what? Refers to reaching there. Very good. And to reach to the place. Why? Because it is the top of the mountain. Because it is at the top of the mountain and it's very difficult to reach there. Even the people who live on the slopes of Mount Basavi have rarely visited this hidden rainforest. Also, the people there rarely, نادرا visited this hidden rainforest. الغابة المخفية, غابة الاستوائية المخفي. Why people can't visit this place? Why can't people visit this place? Because it is hidden and it is at the top of the mountain. Very good. Because it's hidden and it is at the top of the mountain. Very good. Now, it is high up at over 2,500 meters above sea level. Because it is high up 2,005 meters above sea level and it is hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. Very good. So because it is very high and it's inside the hole, داخل فوهة بركان يامس، داخل فوهة البركان. So people can't reach these places easily. So they rarely visit this place. Very good. They rarely visit this place because it's high and it's inside the hole of a volcano. Very good. Very, very good. We said it's above 2,500 meters above sea level. So why doesn't the people there in Mount Husavi visit this rainforest? Because it is very high. It is at the top of the mountain. Very good. Because it is at the top of the mountain. And it is hidden inside the hole of a huge volcano. So this is the main reason also. We have two reasons that people rarely visit this place. We have two reasons. What are the reasons? The first one, it is at the top of the mountain and it is hidden مخفي. It is hidden inside the hole of the mountain. فوهة بركان يامس. It's inside the hole of a mountain. Okay? In 2009 CE, an international team of scientists visited Mount Husavi and discovered an amazing world and plants. They discovered means اكتشف. Okay? They discovered means اكتشف. The scientists, العلماء, visited this place and discovered an amazing world there. Amazing, مكان رائع. Okay? We have different and unusual living things there. They refers to whom حكينا يا مس إن the plural pronoun refers to the plural name before it. يعود على الاسم الجمعي قبله. So they refers to whom? Very good. Refers to the scientist. They تعود على scientist يا مس. Okay? They discovered many colorful tiny frogs. Tiny, small frogs. Some unusual species of fish. Different kinds of fish. Okay? Rare bats. Different bats. نادرة. أنواع نادرة from the bats. Okay? And spiders. Kangaroo. A kangaroo that looked like a small bear. تخيل. And a giant rat جرذ. And a giant rat that was as big as a cat. تخيل. The rat is as big as the cat. الجرذ the same huge of the cat. Altogether, the scientists found more than 40 new species of animals. More than 40 new species of animals, as well as many rare or new plants. Also, many rare, nadir, or new plants. Today, though this beautiful hidden world is in danger. Okay, what's the problem of this story, of this lesson? After knowing this place and this forest, we have a big problem in this place. This rainforest is in danger. How do we know it is in danger? Because logging has already begun. Logging, قطع الأخشاب, in the area, and the loggers have already destroyed a lot of the trees in the area. Okay, so the loggers, they cut the trees, and what is the meaning of loggers? The people who cut the trees and take the wood. Okay, the people who cut the trees and take the wood. They have already destroyed a lot of trees in the area, but they haven't reached the slopes of Mount Pusavi yet. So reached, لم يصلوا لهذه المنطقة. So nearly or soon, in a while of time, they will reach. Scientists hope يتأمل أو يتمنى that their findings can help to protect the area. Scientists hope that they can help to protect this area. So now we've listened and discussed this text. This text is about a hidden world. It's about a rainforest inside a hole of a mountain. This text is about a rainforest. It's about a rainforest. The main idea, the text is about a rainforest. This rainforest is unusual because it is hidden inside a hole of the mountain. At the top of the mountain, this mountain is very high, 2,500 meters above sea level. 2,500 meters above sea level. Scientists went there in this place in 2009, and they have discovered amazing plants and animals there, and they have seen a lot of different animals, plants there, more than 40 kinds or species of animals and plants. What is the problem in this lesson? The problem is that we have logging near this area, and the logging became a very dangerous thing to this place, because it's a beautiful, amazing place with different kind and unusual species of animals and plants. The pronoun they refers to loggers. مين هم loggers? الحطابين, the people who cut the wood. This pronoun refers to loggers. Now we will answer the question that we have talked about. Question number 3, it's about the text. So, what is the hidden world that the scientists have discovered? The hidden world is a rainforest newly discovered in the hole of a volcano in Papua New Guinea. So, the hidden world is the hidden world is a rainforest newly discovered in the hole of a volcano in Papua New Guinea. In Papua New Guinea. It's a newly discovering rainforest that the scientists have discovered. So the hidden world is a rainforest newly discovered in the hull of a volcano in Papua New Guinea. Now you will listen to this video. It's about our lesson for today, and enjoy watching it, okay?
New Britain is the largest island in the Bismarck archipelago of Papua New Guinea. It covers an area of nearly 40,000 square kilometres and has a population approaching 500,000 people. It is an untamed land of rugged mountains, steamy swamps, active volcanoes and dense rainforests. Due to the terrain, much of the wildlife here is still a great mystery, and much of it is yet to be discovered. New Britain lies directly above a tectonic subduction zone and is one of the most volcanically active islands in the world, with 5 active volcanoes. The geography and environment of New Britain is constantly being altered by volcanic and tectonic activity. This stretch of coastline has changed after an earthquake, killing all the trees through exposure to the ocean. These dramatic alterations of the terrain have created a unique biological environment where many species found nowhere else on Earth thrive. As the island has never been attached to the mainland, New Britain has developed its own biodiversity, with fewer species of mammals than mainland New Guinea. This isolation has meant that New Britain has a significant level of endemic or restricted range species, especially birds, frogs and bats, that have successfully adapted to the local environment. New Britain rainforests have high global conservation importance, especially for birds. The island is home to as many as 37 endemic or restricted range bird species. One of the most charismatic birds of New Britain is the dwarf cassowary, the smallest member of the cassowary family. A flightless bird, it stands at just over 1 metre and weighs up to 18 kilograms. These solitary birds roam the rainforest floor searching for fruit, only pairing to breed. The male dwarf cassowary is solely responsible for incubation and care of the young. The dwarf cassowary has a significant relationship with people. The bird is revered for its spectacular appearance and celebrated in this traditional dance. Hunting pressure for food and habitat loss has seen numbers drop in New Guinea, where the dwarf cassowary is now listed as a near threatened species.